Hey guys, Joel here for my pick of the week. So today I've picked out this 1965 Fender Jazzmaster. This is an early 65. We've got all the late 64 specs like the Brazilian board, the unbound neck and the L serial number plate. This is in custom color Olympic white, and it's sort of got this nice sort of cream color as the clear coat yellows in this period. But just a fabulous guitar, totally original. We've even got some nice case candy with it as well. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll play a bit and let you hear how it sounds.